you new around here? Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, on to funny pranks. Donut. You'll need a polystyrene styrofoam bell and some chocolate icing. Take a bite. Never mind, we've got an idea. Follow the instructions on the icing package. Pour hot water over the icing. Squish it up with your hands to break up any clumps. Cut off the bottom of the bell. Shave off a bit more to make it look more like a donut. Turn it over. Cut open the icing package and pour some onto the fake donut. Use a knife to spread it around. Let it dry for a bit. Flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Pour on all of the icing. Get it nice and chocolatey. Let it cool and add some white chocolate icing as well. It's sprinkle time! Oh, it looks so good! Oh, here comes your friend. She's so excited to eat it. She takes a bite. What is this? Is this styrofoam? She looks inside, it is styrofoam. Ugh! Split banana. Banana split time! Take a thick needle and put it inside the banana. Cut all the way through the inside of the banana. Keep doing this all the way down the fruit. Your friend has had a long day and she needs a snack. She starts to peel the banana and whoa, it all falls apart. Colored toothbrush. Take a toothbrush and some food coloring. Use an eyedropper to put little dots of food coloring onto the brush. Now, take a cup of water and swirl the toothbrush around in it so that all of the bristles are blue. Your friend needs to brush her teeth. She puts toothpaste on her brush. She starts brushing. Is her mouth turning blue? She tries again. Is it turning blue? How could she have fallen for another one of your tricks? Chocolate candies. Oh, a box of chocolate. We are just going to open this and take one for ourselves. Look at the spot it left. Okay, maybe another. Now take rubber doorstops. They fit perfectly in the chocolate slots. Pour some chocolate topping over both doorstops, one and then the other. Use a knife to spread around all of the chocolatey goodness. Let them dry and put them in with all of the other chocolates. Close it up and wait. One day, your friend will be enjoying herself eating chocolates and then she will pick up one of yours. She wonders what flavor this is. She bites in. Oh, yuck! This is not chocolate. Play-Doh chewing gum. Take some chewing gum and some non-toxic Play-Doh. Open the pack of gum and unwrap a piece. Lay the gum out on the table next to the Play-Doh. Use a cup to roll out the dough until it is flat. Take an X-Acto knife and cut out a shape that looks exactly like the gum. Now, lightly use the knife to draw a little pattern on it. Wrap it back up and stick it in the package. Grab a real piece of chewing gum and let your friend pull out the fake one. She opens it and puts it in her mouth. That doesn't taste like gum, ew! She spits it out. She's so annoyed. She's fallen for so many of your tricks. That's it for funny pranks. How are you going to prank your friends? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time.